said we can't stay. We can't stay there.
Look at them behind us.
We just said the bus was 40 they want.
Alright, y'all.
We leaving and ain't coming back.
Take it.
That's why y'all got in one bag.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't see your bag, nigga, but I thought y'all just had one bag.
Hey, y'all be careful. You recorded y'all.
Y'all need to goddamn breathe.
We should have had a crowd.
Quick.
That's right.
We're finna leave.
My people, Lord Jesus. This flight, they finna get on, Lord.
Yeah.
Protect when they get over there safe and sound. No kind of nothing. That's right. Y'all, he don't know nothing about the church, y'all. Yeah. Amen. Yeah. Y'all be back. Okay.
Alright.
Hey, y'all.
Alright. Alright, y'all.
Yeah, y'all know.
Yeah.
They should just ask somebody. All right, y'all go ahead.
Alright.
All right.
I'm all looking clean. Hold on. I gotta get on. Hold on, sir.
You got her your name.
Alright. Gotta do it.
All right.
Alright, y'all. We gotta go. Made it to the airport. Man. Made it in the airport, y'all. Syrian. So we take a flight. Man. Small little airport. Bags. Yeah. No, that's for real. Look. We on flight number 1. Let me call my video, my bad. Next flight like 3 hours, y'all, so y'all stay tuned. And I know y'all can tell when I ain't even gonna say it yet. So y'all, this is my first time on the subway, y'all. We the last ones on here. Our flight the last one, so this is where we gotta go. Oh, yeah, man.
No, not yet. No, I didn't want to apply for the visa during jump time, and then I said no. But my friend did, and he got denied. So I said, okay, you know what, I'm not going to try. It's over here. Yeah? Yes. Oh my God, I just want to pay a visit though, just to see. Yeah? Yeah, not to live. Because I love it here, yeah? The weather is good here, yeah? Yeah. I don't know with the people. But the people in Jamaica are really nice like that, you know? Yeah, very nice and very nice. Yeah. So long you stay? We're staying 5 days, 4 nights. Right, okay. Nice. So you need some good eat, right? Huh? Yeah.
Shit, this for real? Yeah.
finally made it, you guys. Everybody, we made it, man. I forgot to pull my camera out. We was just trying to check in and everything like that, but we finally made it. It's nice though. Whew, I gotta take that mask off. It's hot. Got hot. Yeah,
Oh yeah, they got a swim up bar and everything.
A what?
A pull up bar.
Pull up bar?
Swim up bar.
Oh, that's a swim up bar right there. Look at that. Oh, that's hard. Where is that swim up bar? Wanna walk up here? That's it though, right? Huh? Yeah, it is nice, man. We still have clothes on, unfortunately. Our room not ready yet. Check-in time, whatever you call it. Yeah, I'm about at the gym. I can't lie. Yeah, your boy about at the gym. I got a fat bump right here. Hey, where did the bump come from? Sherry? Where did the bump get on my face? I'm asking her like she know. But yeah, it's hot out here too though. I can't lie. Super hot. Real hot. Whew. Yeah, man, this the resort. What is it called? What? Hilton Spa and Resort. Hilton and Spa Resort, something like that.
We'll have to hit y'all back up later.
But this more nice though. Y'all already know what's going on, man. We finna stuff our face, man.
What is that you have?
I don't know, some beef stuff and some kind of sauce. I don't know. And I got a chicken, lettuce, tomato wrap. It must look good too, with sour cream on the side.
Oh my god, I can't even grab this thing.
Look at that. Yeah.
It's wasted.
She finna kill that mother too, y'all.
Shut up.
Yeah, man. Oh my god, y'all. I took a nap for like 3 hours, bro. Like, we finally made it in the room. Everything, y'all. The bathroom. Let me turn the light on. Yes, bathroom, the shower and everything. Step in the shower. Sink. Let me see. But yeah, y'all, here you go. Here go our room. Big king size bed. Look at you. Look at you. What's this right here? I'm gonna open it.
Don't open that junk.
What is it? That's not a room. But yeah, y'all. I think we got a balcony also. I actually forgot we had a balcony. Where that bump come from? How you open this balcony? Oh, there we go. Put some little strength on it, that's all. Here go the balcony right here, man. A nice little view. Let me show y'all. That's the view, y'all, right there. Oh, okay, right. The bag here.
Part of your package, the mini fridge.
Oh, okay.
Mini fridge is in the dressing room.
Alright. Appreciate it. But yeah. Oh, finally made it, bro. They got a couch in here and everything. Yeah. Whew.
What mini fridge?
Man.
Oh,
Right
oh. I'm like, that's not a mini fridge.
But yeah, y'all. This is our room
What's in this?
for the next 5 days or whatever. Yeah, 5 days. Yo,
Oh, they got drinks.
for real.
Yeah.
They got, what they got in here? I ain't packing no pack. Oh, okay. Drinks that I don't drink.
It's water, man.
What is this? I never seen an orange Minute Maid.
It's because it's
It look good though. I'm about to taste this more. Let me see what it tastes like. Maybe the size is weird.
Oh yeah, you can have
Let's try it.
join and drink the room.
I never know they made it orange.
Yeah.
It's good.
Let me wipe everything down. Oh, can you open the lights on in there?
I never even knew they made orange. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little minute. Check out the stick, though. Yeah, I'll be right back. Hey, y'all, we traded, my girl traded a couple of dollars for their currency. This is how it look. It was like 6,000. All she traded was $50. He got 6,000. That's crazy. $1,000 bill. Stop playing. But yeah, man. Just wanted to show y'all that that's a little interesting to me. That's kind of crazy, but you know, games is always. Nah, this the little pier, the beach. I think it's a pier. I don't know what you call it. We'll walk out to the water thing. Hold on, Syrian. Okay, I ain't trying to kick it foot. Oh. Let's go. Y'all, this is how the dinner going. I know y'all can't see, but 2 hour counters went out. Champagne, man, you know, a lobster, steak, you know how we gotta do it, man. You like it?
Oh, Lord. Hey, look, I found out something.
What?
My rose actually has water in it.
For real?
For riches. That's what
For real? Just no. I said for real.
For real.
Nah. I was gonna say I got mine. For real? Who did this?
Shut up, AJ. Oh, Lordy. Oh, my baby fell.
Your what?
My
Oh, your
baby
birthday?
fell. What is that?
Your
I
birthday?
love you. Oh, they be so sweet. Oh,
Happy birthday.
thank you. Real rose pencil.
Yeah.
It's a dream come true. This is so cute. Let me take a video of my scene.
Yeah, man. Come on.
Surprised me with my ring.
Yeah, I had to surprise you. Some, you know. I had to do it for the culture. It's for the culture right here.
The cult. more like retard. And the culture.
For the culture, man. That's what they be saying.
Let me do what Kayla was doing in that video. Look. Look. What she was doing?
That's nice though.
Kayla hit him with that. They can dance though.
Man. Yeah, God. Yeah, everybody, man.
Hey.
Doing a surprise, you know.
20 on the 20th. Let me see. This is so sweet.
You know, this little jump for the night, dinner. Y'all ain't know. Yeah, y'all. This what I had in store. This what was in store, you know. Yep. Go.
Cool.
Y'all tell her to shut up in the comments. Tell her to stop.
You don't think I can dance?
Yeah, y'all, man. I had to surprise her.
Look. Look at all the petals. Oh, they're making red stuff on the bed. Look.
Yeah,
Look.
I don't know.
Let me do it again.
Slight, man.
Hey, that what Kayla was doing. Thank you all for the birthday wishes. Y'all are so
Yeah, give her a big
sweet.
happy birthday, y'all, in the comments, man.
Happy birthday to me.
Why is she saying to y'all?
I said to me.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we gonna have fun.
Alright, we'll be back, man.
He laughing.
Okay, so at this moment we are in the small community of Rio Bueno. This is where Christopher Columbus came in 1494. Where say find good drinking water, name the place Rio Bueno, meaning good river. It's actually where the salt water meet the fresh water, so it's actually brackish water. Oh, you see a ship down there, we have Tankwell, and Tankwell is the largest exporter of scrap metal from the island, right? So now when their ship comes in to buy those scrap metal, and they take it back all over, they make all kind of stuff from those metal, alright? Let me know where you need. You look right.
store right now.
But if you're not touching the water, just take it. You stick it with the salsa.
Don't take it out. Yeah, don't mind it. But you don't take it out. I'm not taking it off for you. You don't want to take it on? Don't.
Literal whole point. Not because I don't want my feet to get wet.
Alright, y'all, we about to ride some ATVs. About to have some fun today.
That's why it came in.
About to ride ATV. Huh? In my pocket? I'm outside. I ain't putting that mess on. But yeah, y'all, we about to ride some ATVs today. And we zip lining and everything, riding the horses in the water. Alright. Ready? Look back. He turned. Huh? Stop praying, man. Real bike life. ATV life. Oh, man, Jamaica.
That's over there, man. Check you want to do. You're good, bro.
Huh?
You're good. I'm good.
How y'all good, bro?
I'm good.
Huh?
Hold on.
How are you? Right here?
Yeah, man. Let's go.
Huh?
Yeah, man.
Where can you go?
Good.
I can't fit over there, kid.
He's trying to go. Where are they?
Huh?
Come close.
Is my thing messed up?
Get off of it. Get off.
Let go.
No. He's trying to go
Can
before.
I fit over there?
Flip.
Can I fit over there?
It's all good. It's all good. That's good. That's a lot of space over there, man.
So I can hold it like this?
Listen.
Huh? Can I hold it like this?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yeah, man. Go for it. Go. Oh, there you go.
Look. Boy, look at this. Look. The dude got his nutty man.
Water.
Look, show him. I want to say water, really. Water. Water. Huh?
What did it do on Instagram?
That's pretty though.
I'm gonna make the scene like I took on the Photoshop.
Right here.
Yeah, he riding on the horses. Look, Sherry. Real horse rider, stop playing.
But my horse getting the booty.
Real cowboys out here. We what?
Oh God.
What?
He said we need to sit down.
Hell yeah. I ain't trying to fall out this bitch, boy.
Y'all gotta lean side to side.
Yeah. Real cowboys out here. Stop playing.
He said his horse going fast enough to
Let's do it. We really there riding horses out this bitch.
Yeah, we see on Facebook and the horse, they were ever going ride that horse down. Hey.
So they gonna stop when everybody else stop? Huh? Hey Sherry. Sherry Young. They gonna stop when everybody else stop? What happened? What he said?
Man, my horse, you over some. That's a dog. Hey, now, wait a minute.
Hey. Oh, snap. Alright, now I gotta guide my horse.
Hey, you going? Hey, he going with 2 over now.
Oh, why he eating? He fat as fuck.
Hey, this horse stop.
He hungry as fuck. My bad, cuz I ain't mean to cuss.
Boy, quit. Oh,
He hungry as fuck. Look.
so your horse keep stopping to eat.
Oh my God. Water. How's they riding the water? Stop playing. Oh shit. Come around. Alright.
That's why you see some places where they have density and some places where they have push. So okay, so we like purchase the feed from and up this push.
So like Pritchard, Alabama.
Alright, now we walking in, about to get some
What you need to look at? You already got booty fuck on.
vibes, man. Like good Jamaican food.
Yeah, it's the whole
You already know.
ass up.
Man, this clip, man, y'all see this good old jerk chicken, man, and this daiquiri drinks we have, dog. It tastes way better than it look, man. Food was great, though. Alright, right here, y'all, we had climbed a waterfall. As y'all can see, we climbed all the way up there. It was higher than that, but we really didn't record that much. But yeah, man, it was beautiful. Just that wasn't even the bottom. We had climbed a little bit up there. The river falls, but it's close.
You know, your resort's bigger than this.
Oh.
Yeah, like what, 20 different restaurants, all type of little shopping places.
Alright, now right here, we're on the way to board the boat, man. We're about to head to Margaritaville, I think. Down in Jamaica, man. Rasta, man. But yeah. So, right here, was some people talking to us or whatever. I cannot understand what they were saying for real, but they seemed pretty cool or whatever. Some older people. I think they were from North Dakota or something like that. But here we go. Come on. The water is so pretty though. I can't lie. You can't tell right there for real, but that water was pretty, man. And like the more you got out, the more blue it got. Like that deep, deep blue. Deep sea blue. That's exactly what it's called. But yeah, man. Come on, y'all. Come on. Help us board. Help us board. All you saw was birds and fish in the water. These stupid ass birds, man. They was annoying. These Jamaicans was throwing food and stuff out the boat. But yeah, look at that. It's so nice. Margaritaville is over there with the slide. And here, they stopped to snorkel. We could have snorkeled if we wanted to, but I know y'all don't know I can't swim. But my girlfriend can, on the other hand. She can swim. Oh, there's some people coming in. I did not know she got that. I didn't get this shot, actually. Sherry got this shot of the plane landing in Jamaica, man. Look at this. Just vibing, you know. Sun was so bright. I didn't mean to put this video right here, but here we go. It's crazy, dude. This song was so funny, y'all. Them big girls was throwing that thing, man. They were throwing that thing bike. As y'all can see. Look, he riding a bike. Yeah, actually, like he riding a bike. Everybody just turning up, as y'all can see, man. And we had as many drinks, like unlimited drinks, as we wanted. Wasn't no count or nothing. Look at him looking at the video. Yeah, I'm recording, man. None of these people know I was a YouTuber. And this was nice. If I could swim, man, I would have did everything. We could have actually used a life jacket. Some people did. I drunk like, both of us had a big cup of, it was called a rum punch. That's what it was called, rum punch. It was amazing. It was the best tasting daiquiri or ice drink, liquor, whatever it's called, but yeah. And we was on the way back, man. This whole trip was about, look, that was like my 5th cup. I kid you not, man, that was my 5th cup. I was drunk by then, but yeah.